Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the front bumper from an Audi A4 B6. First, gather your tools, including a Torx T25 screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your car is on a level surface and the engine is completely off for safety. Then, open the hood to begin accessing the initial fasteners. Next, we'll tackle the top and wheel well fasteners. Start by removing the 4 Torx T25 screws located along the top edge of the bumper, visible under the hood. Then, turn your front wheels to gain better access to the wheel well liners. You'll find 3 Torx T25 screws in each front wheel well liner that need to be removed. Now, let's move to the underside and disconnect some components. Locate and remove the 4 Torx T25 screws along the bottom edge of the bumper. With those out, carefully disconnect the electrical connectors for your fog lights. If your car has headlight washers, gently detach their hoses to ensure a smooth removal process. Finally, it's time for the main event, removing the bumper. With all fasteners and connections clear, gently pull the bumper straight forward to release it from the side guides. It's highly recommended to have a second person help support the bumper as you pull it off. Once removed, store it safely to prevent any scratches or damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.